The Ram 1500 TRX has a reputation for being the world's most powerful production pickup, but that hasn't stopped aftermarket tuners from making it even more extreme. If you want more power, Hennessey Performance has already cranked up the output to an insane 1,012 horsepower and 969 pounds-foot in the Mammoth 1000. Taking a different approach, Apocalypse Manufacturing has unveiled the Warlord, a custom-built Ram 1500 TRX 6x6. Like the Jeep Wrangler-based Apocalypse Hellfire, the Warlord has been upgraded with the company's proprietary middle axle that adds two extra 18-inch wheels wrapped in ginormous 37-inch all-terrain tires. A seventh wheel is also mounted on the truck bed, and the 37-inch tires can be replaced with even larger 40-inch tires at an extra cost. To improve the rigidity, a bespoke 0.25-inch steel frame was installed at the rear. With two extra wheels providing six-wheel drive, Apocalypse Manufacturing has made the Ram TRX look even more imposing while improving the truck's capability. "I am really proud of how our highly skilled team took on our most ambitious project yet," said Joseph Ghattas, owner, engineer, and head designer of Apocalypse Manufacturing. "Our development and research really show on the handcrafted middle axle and custom frame we created by using bigger, beefier quarter-inch thick steel needed to complement the insane horsepower output that separates the TRX from every other vehicle on the road today. This build is as impressive as they come and perfectly aligns with the rest of our Apocalypse catalog of trucks." Under the hood, the Ram 1500 TRX 6.2-liter supercharged V8 has been left stock, sending 702 horsepower and 650 pounds-foot of torque power to all six wheels through an 8-speed automatic gearbox. This makes it less powerful than the Hennessey Mammoth 6x6, which generates up to 1,200 horsepower. In stock form, the TRX accelerates from 0-60 miles per hour in just 4.5 seconds and will max out at 118 miles per hour. No performance specifications have been revealed for the Warlord, but it's safe to assume the extra weight will affect the performance and make it slower than the standard truck. Unsurprisingly, the six-wheeled Warlord isn't cheap, with a starting price of $250,000, around $180,000 more than the regular TRX. However, it's still cheaper than the Hennessey Mammoth 6x6, which will set you back an eye-watering $500,000.